What's up, guys? This is Volvo guy. We're gonna replace a wiper blade. Shows the film. This rubber piece. So for some reason they just sell this part, which I don't like it, but it's one of the ends. It has a tab like this with an arrow. I think you gotta push. So push up and then slide. Boom. This is the passenger side, so it's just a smaller one. Just like this. Boom, that's it. It's a real simple to do. Replacing a wiper blade, rubber piece. Remember, the tab goes up and then pull this piece at the same time. Thank you guys, have a great day.